Baskowa, this is Dr. Bear and welcome to this week's social media countdown. So let's get right into it. Number 10, Celebrity Sports Day. So Sports Day was last week and it seemed like the whole of the Jamaican celebrity pitted them have to run up and down and come first DNA in them bloodline. From Amita and Asafa's daughter to Yende and Chino's daughter Israel to Idonia and Kimberly's son. And over for leave out, stay a good Pampute and our pitney.
Run, Jazier! Jazier win!
Run, Jazier! Jazier! Number 9, Marcus Mary at odds with I-Actin. The producer and Buju Banton's son, Marcus Mary, is at odds with dancehall artist I-Actin because Marcus run go do a song with Popcorn and everybody know that Popcorn and I-Actin is not our friends. So Marcus say Actin got studio go vice one song, I throw a word pan him. Yo, style man, I'm gonna know you as no designer. So then Marcus go back go vice one song, I throw a word pan I-Actin. I'm gonna use Popcorn slang, kick out! Them brother, you take them friendship serious though, cause this sound well juvenile. No, I'm my friend, Popcorn, I'm my friend.
Tell your sunshine up when your best friends become enemy.
Number 8, kids back bend. My word, my sentence! So them two pitney here was dancing and you know what, just watch.
Ride to the bicycle, Becca. Ride to the bicycle. Gang.
No man, honestly, they have to struggle for watch this. The first thing, the girl did look a little runga renge in my head. So immediately, me kind of feel so the boy take advantage of her. No, but just pretty look of glee, of satisfaction on her face.
Fun.
My girl look like she did a study the formation dance though. No back men at all.
Jota.
All truth and honesty, me don't really blame the pitney them at all, you know. Who me blame is the person who decides say they want to be the instigator and cheerleader and I film the pitney them and them look a dance here. But is it just when me ready I be serious and all judgmental? This here piece of sinting here just box me across my face, I'm in a flat line, pan the ground, just drop so. It box me for 6.
I'm Millie Rock on.
Yeah, what up? He said, thank you, welcome.
Number 7, so Jamaican sprinter Amar McLeod won the 60-meter hurdles at the World Indoor Championships. What day? I would just want to say, big congratulations, sir. Yay, big congratulations. And I think, are the only gold medal Jamaica to win at the Indoor Championships? No, sir? I think so. Yeah, take a look.
Well, a clean start. McLeod, Bascu. Is McLeod at the moment just taking Bascu? Oh, and easy does it. It's unofficially 7.5.
Number 6, Fantasia performs in Jamaica. The past American Idol Fantasia was in Kingston recently to perform at the US Embassy's Blues on the Green concert at the Emancipation Park. And everybody says she shell it down. Was it true? Shell. And as usual, our strong kick up, whap leg them did after the center stage and be flaunted. And now for the random video of the week. Check it.
Oh.
Are you okay, honey? Number 5, the KC TVJ Campadon War. To be honest, me not really interested in that story here. But basically, TVJ, oh my gosh, basically Campadon do one match on the tie. Then the tie with Arden and then the match did done and then some point, boy, me never understand. Me not care, just it done and gone now. Peace out, next number. Number 4, the Taylor Bloomfield Showdown. So people, Champs 2016 never have to end on such a high note. That the 4x4 relay race there with Christopher Taylor of Calabar on the final leg against Akeem Bloomfield of Kingston College did shell. So Chris and Akeem on the final leg. Christopher Taylor lucky him get a little advantage, you get like a 50 meter, 20 meter advantage, so him took off and start a run. Box cover! I'm only gonna say about to reach the Akeem Bloomfield and the man just run off so.
But Taylor has run so much at these championships. Look at Akeem Bloomfield go! Can't Christopher...
No. Akeem don't run. Him gallop. Man come like an ass on the track. Yeah. Then it left down to the final 100 meter. Akeem still there thundering down the straight, you know man. Only for us to like a Christopher Taylor kicking the Sunday Monday gear and overtake Akeem Bloomfield and head straight to the finish line.
The lead. Christopher Taylor steps forward. Bloomfield is trying to hold on. Here comes the World Youth Champion. Christopher Taylor goes by Akeem Bloomfield and
Hang up, done. Number 3, earthquake in Jamaica. So a 3.6 magnitude earthquake was recorded mostly somewhere in a Clarendon. And we want to know, did you feel it? Me they up the whole of the night and I never feel nothing. Did you feel it? Comment down below. Number 2, Jamaican beauty smuggler. So Marsha Gay Reynolds, second runner up in the Miss Jamaica World 2008 contest.
Marsha Gay Reynolds, contestant number 15, is our second princess this evening. So we invite Yendi to sash Marsha Gay.
Was caught. What, in New York? She catch a foreign trying to smuggle $3 million worth of cocaine. You tell me now. So she there at the airport in a little line with a little pretty upself. I go through the place and all of a sudden one of the workers just spot her and pull her out of the line and tell her I need to check her. Box cover! My girl catch her afraid and took off like Fraser Price at the starting block. Run go straight up on an escalator and out. Gone away. Leaving behind not only the luggage with the $3 million worth of cocaine, but also our good pair of Gucci heels. Now lie though, but Marsha is a pretty girl, but boy oh boy, you're brave, bad. Right after the little Brussels attack and you took up yourself Ghana airport and try to smuggle drugs. Imagine Marsha, oh God man. Marsha Easter time now. Carnival time. Beach Juvie and them something there. You couldn't try to smuggle a little bun or something like that car come down here? No, we for car bun come up here. So that would make sense. Anyway, yeah. Go back to the local drugs where they are trying to smuggle. And number 1 goes to... HotUp gone wrong! Woo! Yeah. So this your video take the cake, the icing, the crumbs, the candle, everything. So on dancehall queen type of competition they go on a foreign, and this your particular contestant you feel like she the need for do something to give her one special edge. But at the same time, the same edge there almost create one wedge between her crotches. Started out innocent and okay like this. Okay, not bad. Then I'm like, wait there, wagwan. Bomb a drop. Then disco to box foot. My God. Me popper. No sir, and that you call creative cooking. Sauteed vagina. You smell that? It's a fry.
Bun up, zoom, she have the bun, zoom. Bun up, zoom, she have the rose, zoom. Bun it up, the girl go bun it up, she all it up, she at it up, now it's a back like a pop-up.
Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media countdown. Make sure that you like it, comment, and share, and you subscribe. Oh, and please, may I beg you, follow me on Instagram at Dirty Berry Show, on Snapchat at Dirty Berry Show. If you email me, for book me or anything, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright, peace out. Until next time. Bada bang, au revoir.